Okay, in this video, we're going to demonstrate how to start doing annotations and drawing. The first video we're going to show you, because we're going to make several, because there's several different ways you can annotate, but the first video we're going to show you is a basic default one, which pretty much is the same as drawing on a whiteboard. You see here we're in the org chart, so if you want to go to annotation, earlier in an earlier video, we demonstrated how to click on the ribbon here to create the shortcuts on the side. This is where this becomes very helpful. Here's the annotation tab right here. You just simply click on annotate. Here's the default tab. Okay, so you have two options. You can hand draw the structure very quickly, or you can use the program to help you do it. And I'll demonstrate both ways. So here we go. Here's where you would pick your pen. You can choose your color you want. You can make it any color you want. And we have it chosen for blue right now. Take your stylus and just simply touch the screen and draw yourself a 2.5 wood. This may suffice for you. Again, once you draw the annotation, you can draw a company. So we have Engine 9 over here working on the second floor. We can come over here to Division 2 and drag Engine 9 into the building. We can drag Engine 15 into Division 1. So we can do that all around. We want to erase them and take them out of there. We can take them out of there. That's the way you would delete them. And that's just a quick little rough drawing, just like you would do on any whiteboard. You can move any of these companies around. Anything you do on the annotation page over here also reflects on the command structure page. So if we moved Engine 9 to Division 1 and dragged them up here, if you went to the command structure page, that would be reflected here. You now see Engine 9 on Division 1. We can move Engine 9 back to Division 2 here. And when we go back to annotation, they're here. Now it will move them here, but will not move them on your annotation drawings. If you had Engine 9 on Division 1 and you went and switched them on Division 2 on the org chart, it doesn't automatically move them. We'll demonstrate that. So we're going to put Engine 9 here. But if we move Engine 9 to Division 1, it doesn't move them on the actual annotation page. That's something that you have to be mindful yourself that you're doing. And again, here to hit the erase, and we can erase Engine 9 off there. We're going to erase this entire structure. The second way that you can add and do a drawing on the structure is using right over here where it says structure. That's going to add points. I'm going to demonstrate it using the touch mouse here, but you can also do it with the stylus on the side. So you set your first point anywhere you want. You go down to your next point, and then you hit click. You go down to your next point, you hit a single click, and so on. You move over to your next one, single click. Up to your next point, hit a single click. If you are done with those points and want to go a different way, because see what happens if you try to go here, it's going to collapse it. It's going to move it. So if you're happy where your points are, hit a double click. Same thing with your pen. You would double tap it with the stylus. Then single tap it again. It'll give you another point. You draw it across to here. Single tap, put your point there, double tap it, and it allows you to go now to another location. Again, you can use this using the stylus the same exact way. Single tap places it, double tap allows you to move to the next one. Single tap place, draw across, single tap to set it, double tap to let go, and then you can go dragging your companies into the scene as you wish. Same exact way, two different ways. Little cleaner look this way, may take an extra second, but you can do it with the stylus just as quick. Again, single tap puts the point in place, double tap will release it out. And that concludes the basic default video on how to do an annotation.